Our lesson today about the equation. Okay, before knowing what does it mean equation, I have a scale. This scale has two pans. The left pan, it contains a bag of orange, I don't know its weight, and a weight of 2 kilograms. So the left pan, its weight x plus 2 kilograms. On the right pan, I have a weight of kilogram, as I see. Okay, we see that from this figure, the two pans are equal. The weight of the two sides becomes equal. When what? When x plus 2 equal 5. When can I find that x plus 2 equal 5? It's only if x equals 3. It means that the weight of the bag of orange is 3 kilograms when the two pans contain equal weights. We have important notes. Okay, first note. X plus 2 equal 5, this mathematical statement is called an equation. X, it's called unknown or variable. So X is unknown or variable. What about 3? We know that this equation X must be equal 3, so the two sides will become equal. So 3 is called the solution. Okay, what about if I write 3 between braces? It's called the solution set. So the solution is 3, but the solution set is the set of 3. Now we must know the meaning of the solution of the equation. The solution of the equation is a number which satisfies the equation, which makes the two sides of the equation equal. Now we have important definition. It's the definition of an equation. It's mathematical statement that has two expressions separated like we have x plus 2 equal 5. It's a mathematical statement consists of two sides, between them equal sign. One or both of the expression contains one unknown. As we see in the left side, we have only one unknown, it's x, but on the right side, we have no unknown. We will take examples for equation. First one is x plus 4 equal 9. As we see, we have a mathematical statement contains of two expressions. Between them equal sign. One or both has one or more unknown. Like on the left side, I have only one unknown, it's x. Next one, 8 minus 3x equal 5. It's mathematical statement, contains of two expressions, between them equal sign. Okay, one or two of the expression has one unknown. I have only one unknown on the left side, it's x. Next one. On the next one, it's x plus 2y equal negative 1. It's a mathematical statement, contains of two expressions, between them equal sign. Okay, on the left side, I have two unknown, x and y. And also, we can see equation like x squared plus 5 equal 14 and x to the power 3 plus 4x to the power 2 equal 0. So all these examples of equation, let's solve one example. Okay, for the equation 2x plus 1 equals 7, check each element of the set 1, 2, 3 to find whether it's a solution of this equation or not. How can I solve it? This is the equation. I use the solution set. I use the substitution set to find the solution set. So I check each element on the substitution set. So this is called substitution set. Okay, I use first element, it's 1. When x equal 1, I find the result of the left side. It's 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. But 3 it's not equal 7. So 1 cannot be solution set. Okay. So next one, I use the second element of the substitution set. It's x equal 2. Let's check the left side. If x equal 2, what about the left side? It will be equal what? It will be 2 times 2 plus 1. 2 times 2 equal 4. 4 plus 1 equal 5. But also 5, it's not equal the right side, which equals 7. So 2 cannot be solution set. Last element, I will check it from the substitution set. It's if x equals 3. I find the result of the left side. The left side, it will be 2 times 3 plus 1. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the solution set of this equation is only what? Is only 3. Because after making substitute by using the 3, the left side it will be equal 7, which equal the right side, which equal also 7. So the solution set of this equation equal 1, 3. So now we know two different sets, the substitution set and the solution set. The solution set subset from the substitution set. So we have that the solution set subset from substitution set. Let's take more example. Okay. Find the solution set of the equation x plus 2 equal 5. If the substitution set is negative 2, 3, 4. I solve A first. If x equal negative 2. Let's check the left side. The left side, it's x plus 2. Negative 2 plus 2, it becomes what? 0. But 0 not equal 5. So first element or number on letter A, first number, negative 2 cannot be solution set. What about if x equal 3? Let's check the left side. The left side it will be 3 plus 2, it equal what? It's equal 5. 5, it's also equal the right side, which is 5. So the element 3 can be substitution, can be solution set. Last one, we will check if x equal 4, the left side will be 4 plus 2, it's equal what? 6, but 6 not equal 5. So the solution set of this example equal what? It's only equal 3. Next one. If the substitution set equal negative 1, 1, 2. First one, if x equal negative 1. Let's check the left side. Left side, negative 1 plus 2, it's equal 1. But 1 not equal 5. So negative 1 cannot be solution set. What about if x equal 1? Let's check the result. Let's check the left side. 1 plus 2, it's equal 3. But 3, it's not equal 5, so it can be also the solution set. Last element is if x equal 2. Let's check the left side. It's 2 plus 2 equal 4. 4 also not equal 5, which on the right side. So the solution set of this question is what? 5 or null set, which we took on Junior 5. 5 or null set, it's empty set. The number of elements on it is 0 element. It has 0 element. After knowing the meaning of equation, we will know now on the first figure, we have on the left pan, we have a bag of orange and 2 kilograms, and on the left pan, it holds only 5 kilograms. On this example, I'll add 2 more kilograms to the right pan. To the left pan. So here I'll add 2 more kilograms. After adding the 2 kilograms to the left pan, the scales inclined. So the weight of the left pan, it becomes X, which is equal the bag of orange plus what? Plus 4 kilograms. And the right pan is 5 kilograms. Look at this figure. Which is big? Okay, which is bigger than the other? The left pan or the right pan? The left pan is greater than the right pan. That's why it's inclined. So here we can see that X plus 4 is greater than 5. Okay, as we make on figure number 2. On figure number 3. On the left pan, I can see bag of orange and 2 kilograms. So its weight becomes X plus 2 kilograms. On the right pan, I add 2 kilograms to 5 kilograms. Its weight becomes 7 kilograms. After adding the weight to the right pan, the scale inclined. So we can see that X plus 2 less than 7. Now we must know the meaning of each sign. Do you remember greater than and smaller than, which we took it from junior? 1. Okay, greater than and less than. So this sign is read as less than. This sign is read as greater than. What about this one? I add equal under it, so it's greater than, it's less than or equal. This one, it was greater. After adding like equal under it, it becomes it's greater than or equal to. Okay, so we took 2 mathematical statements, X plus 4 greater than 5 and X plus 2 less than 7. Both of them, it's called an inequality. It's called an inequality. Why? Because there is inequality sign between the two sides. There is inequality sign between the two sides. Now, as we took the definition of equation, we must know the definition of an inequality. An inequality is also a mathematical statement that also has 2 expressions separated by an inequality sign. What does it mean, an inequality sign? Greater or smaller. Okay. One or both of the expression contains one unknown or more. So the difference between equation and inequality, both of them mathematical statement, both of them consists of 2 expressions, but on the equation between the 2 expressions equal sign. On inequality between the 2 expressions, greater or smaller. Let's take example of inequality as we took example of equation. X plus 4 greater than 9. Its mathematical statement contains of 2 expressions, okay, separated by inequality sign, which is greater than, and on this side I have only one unknown. Next one, X plus 2y greater than negative 1. It's also mathematical statement. It contains of 2 expressions between them. Inequality sign, which is greater than. On this side I have 2 unknown. It's x and y. Next one, 8 minus 3x less than 5. It's mathematical statement, okay, contains of 2 expressions separated by inequality sign. Look at this sign first. On the left side I have one unknown. Last example, x plus 1 greater than 3 minus 2x. It's mathematical statement. I have 2 expressions separated by greater than. On the left side I have unknown x. On the right side I have only one unknown. It's x also. also. Okay, let's solve this example as we took on equation. Okay, find the solution set of the inequality x plus 1 greater than 5. In the substitution set 3, 4, 5, 6. As we solve on the equation, I use each element on the substitution set. If x equal 3, let's check the left side. Okay, x equals 3, so x plus 1, it will be 3 plus 1 equal 4. Is 1 greater than 5? No, 4 not greater than 5. So it's not solution set. Let's check if x equals 4. We will find the result of the left side. 4. 4 plus 1 equal what? Equal 5. Okay, but it's not greater than 5. So 4 also cannot be solution set. I will check if x equal 5. If x equal 5, let's check the left side. 5 plus 1 equal 6, and 6 is greater than 5, so 5 can be the solution set of this inequality. Let's check last one. If x equal 6, the left side it will be 6 plus 1 equal 7. 7 also greater than 5. So the solution set of this inequality is equal 5 and 6. Determine which of the following represents an inequation or an inequality. On first example, 3x plus 2 equal 11. Equation or inequality? Equation, it has equal between two expressions, but inequality, it has inequality sign. It means greater or smaller between two expressions. Here I have equal sign, so it's equation because I have equal sign between the two expressions. Next one, 2x equal 24. I have equal between two expressions, so it's also equation. Number 3, x greater than 7 minus 5. I have inequality sign, so it's inequality. Next one, x less than negative 25. Equation or inequality? It's inequality because I have inequality sign. Last example, 2y plus 3 less than or equal 5. It's also inequality because I have here inequality sign between two expressions. So last 3, it's inequality. Express simply each of the following as we took from junior 5. X is less than negative 3. Okay, I write x. X is less than. The sign, we look at x or not looking at x. It was not looking at x. So I write less than sign negative 3. Okay, next one, x is less than or equal to. I write x. The sign will not equal to x. I write x less than or equal to. X is greater than or equal to 3. I write x. X is greater than. That means that the sign will look at x or equal. Don't forget to write the equal sign 3. Here, x is less than or equal to 7 and greater than 1. I have two expressions and I need to put it on one mathematical statement. I write x on the middle. Okay, x is less than or equal to 7. The sign will look at x more. Okay, so I write less than or equal to 7. And greater than 1. I need to write the sign look at x. I write on the last one is what? 1. Okay. Find the solution set of each of the following equation. X plus 7 equals 10. If the substitution set 1, 3, 5, I'll check each element on the substitution set. If x equal 1. Check the left side. It's 1 plus 7 equal 8. Of course, it's not equal 10. So 1, it's not solution set. Let's check if x equal 3. Let's check the left side. It's 3 plus 7. It's yes equal 10 equals the left side. So it may be the solution set only. So it will be the solution set only. Okay, last one, it's x equal 5. 5 plus 7 equal 12. Of course, it's not equal 10. So the solution set for this example is what? 3. Next example, 4x minus 3 equal 9 if the substitution set is 2, 3, 4. Let's check if x equal 2. I will make it 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 minus 3 equal what? Equal 5. But 5, it's not equal 9. So it cannot be solution set. Let's check if x equal 3. 4 times 3 equal what? Equal 12. 4 times 3 equal 12. 12 minus 3 is equal what? Equal 9. So it's the solution set. So the solution set equal what? Equal 3. Let's check last one. If x equal 4, 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 minus 3, it will be 13. So it's not solution set. On the last example, let's check the substitution set. I have substitution set. It's 0, 1, 2. Let's check if x equal 0. The left side, it becomes negative 2 plus 3 times 0. Of course, 3 times 0 equals 0, so it's equal negative 2, and it's not equal 7. So it cannot be solution set. Next one, if x equal 1. Okay, I have 3 times 1 equals 3, 3. Plus negative 2 is equal 1, and 1 also not equal 7, so it can be solution set. Last element on the substitution set is 2 if x equal 2. It's negative 2 plus 3 times 2 equal what? Equal 6, sorry. Okay. 6 plus negative 2 is equal 4, and 4 also not equal 7. So the solution set of this one is what? Is 5. Find the solution set of each of the following inequality. X plus 3 less than 5. If the substitution set 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I'll check each element on the substitution set. If x equal 4, so 4 plus 3 greater than 5. It cannot be solution set. If x equals 3, 3 plus 3 it becomes 6. It's greater than 5, so it's not solution set. If x equal 2, so 2 plus 3 equal 5. It cannot be solution set also. If x equal 1, we will find the left side equal 4. Yes, 4 is less than 5, so it can be solution set. Last element on the substitution set is x equals 0. If x equals 0, so the left side it becomes 3. 3 less than 5, so it can also solution set. So the solution set of this example is 1 and 0. Next example, 3x minus 1 greater than negative 2. If the substitution set negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. I'll check if x equal negative 2. 3 times negative 2 equal negative 6. Negative 6 minus 1, it becomes negative 7. But negative 7 is less than negative 2. It cannot be solution set. If x equal negative 1, 3 times negative 1, it's negative 3. Negative 3. Negative 3 minus 1, it will be negative 4. But negative 4 is less than negative 2, not greater than it. So it cannot be solution set. If x equal 0, 3 times 0 equals 0. 0 minus negative 1, it becomes negative 1. Negative 1, yes, it's greater than negative 2. So it's solution set. If x equal 1, 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 minus 1 equals 2, and 2 is greater than negative 2. Its solution set. Also, last element is 2. If x equals 2, 3 times 2 equals 6, 6 minus 1 equals 5, 5 also greater than negative 2, so it's also solution set. So the solution set of this example is 0, 1, 2. Given that the substitution set is m1, 2, 3, 7, find the solution set of the equation 2x minus 5 equal 1. I solve A first. Okay, if x equal 1, 2 times 1 equal 2. 2 minus 5 equal negative 3. Negative 3 not equal 1. If x equal 2, 2 times 2 equal 4. 4 minus 5 equal negative 1. It's not equal 1. It cannot be solution set. If x equals 3, 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 5 equal 1. It's equal the left side, so it will be the solution set. Last one is 7. We must know it's not solution set. If x equal 7, 2 times 7 equal 14. 14 minus 5 equal 9. Of course, it's not equal 1. So the solution set of this example if x equal what? 3. We solve the inequality. Find the solution set of the inequality x plus 3 greater than 8. Let's check if x equal 1. 1 plus 3 equal 4. 4 is less than 8. It cannot be solution set. If x equal 2. 2 plus 3 equal 5. 5 is less than 8. It's not greater than 8. Okay. If x equal 3. 3 plus 3 equal 6. It's less than also 8. It cannot be solution set. Last element if x equal 7. 7 plus 3 equal 10. Yes, 10 greater than 8. So the solution set of this inequality if x equal 7. Now we will know the meaning of degree of an equation. Okay? Look at this one. 5x plus 2 equal 7. Look at x. What is the power of x? The power of x is the degree. Okay? I know that its power, it has power 1. So it's equation of first degree. Okay? How many unknown here? One unknown is only x. Next equation, x plus 2. X power 2 plus x minus 3. I have here x is power 2 and x is power 1. Which is greatest, 2 or 1? Of course 2, so it's equation of second degree. How many unknown here? I have only unknown, it's x. Next one, 2x plus 3y equal 5. X it has power 1, y it has power 1. So the degree of this equation is 1. Okay, how many unknown? I have 2 unknown, x and y. This inequality for x minus 7 greater than 5. X it has power 1. So the degree of this inequality, first degree. How many unknown here? It's only one unknown. It's x. Last example. Mention the degree and the unknown of each of the following. First one, x plus 13 equal 12. It's equation of the first degree because the power of x is what? 1. How many unknown? It's only one unknown. It's what? It's x. Next example, x to the power 2, so it's a second degree. How many unknown here? It's only one unknown. It's x. Okay, next example, 4y to the power 3 minus 4x to the power 2 equal 2. I have y to the power 3 and x to the power 2. Which is greatest power? Of course 3. So it's a third degree, equation of third degree. Third degree. How many unknown here? I have 2 unknown, x and y. Next one, y minus 4 less than 2. It's inequality of which degree? Y, it has only power 1. So it's inequality of first degree. It has one unknown, it's y. Last one is 7x minus 3y greater than or equal 5. I have here x to the power 1 and y to the power 1, so it's the first degree. Inequality of first degree. How many unknown? It's 2 unknown, x and y. Okay, homework معالي school booklet part 2 page 4, 5, 6. Homework queens booklet page 44, 45, 46.